Silver was up 5% today. 5% in one day, something that's been around since the beginning of time. Bubba thinks it's pretty crazy that happened, huh, Bubba? 5% in one day. So silver's now over $32 an ounce. Hey, everybody, it's Joshua Gaming 1 and 2. And we're waiting for Mama here, so I thought it was a good time to shoot a quick vid. But Bubba's is driving while we wait for Mama. Driving. Silver had a huge day today, and I know everybody says that that the silver bugs will all make videos when silver goes up and not when it goes down. I think there is some truth to that, but nobody pays attention when we make videos about why it went down. They only want to hear why it went up. So, and I don't really know why it went up today, but it was a huge up, huh, Bubba? 5% today. Silver rose 5% today. It was like roughly $1.50 to a spot price of $32.20 an ounce, I believe is what it closed at. Now, if you're going to go in and buy physical silver, you're going to pay a premium on top of that for buying the physical metal itself. Yeah, I know. I don't like it either, Bubba. But you will probably pay a little bit of a premium. So right now, roughly, silver is going here in Scottsdale, Arizona for about 36 bucks at the shops. Yeah, 36, Bubba. Remember? The shops that me and Bubba go to buy our silver. So, anyway, I just think it's interesting. Will Mitchell, who runs the Facebook group Gold and Silver Investors, yeah. Do you like that? Bubba likes that group. Bubba likes the Silver and Gold Facebook group, Silver and Gold Investors group, by Will Mitchell. So you can check that out if you're on Facebook, and it's a lot of fun stuff. People chip in with a lot of good insight, both fundamental and technical analysis. But getting back to my point, Will posted in the group, he said he thinks maybe the reason that it had such an increase today is because a lot of people were waiting for it to drop under $30 to go in and buy, see that dip as a buying opportunity, but that it was holding $30, and by it coming up to 32, he's saying, maybe it's not even going to drop to 30 in the near future. So, but maybe it will, I don't know. Maybe it'll never drop below $30 again. And so, it'd be like people that were holding out for it to drop below 20 and then felt like they got the shaft when it hit 50. What are you going for, Bubba? Are you reaching up there? Because I'm saying big numbers, so you're going to reach up? But maybe it'll still drop to 5. There's people that have that argument, so, who knows. I think inevitably the black swan's going to come around the corner and it's going to shoot up to, thousands of %. But that's just my take. So, I mean, paper as currency can only exist so long. Yeah, Bubba knows what's up. Fiat currency, it's going to fail at some point. So I don't need to get into those basics here. Do I? I don't need to get into that here, but I will say that at some point it's going to explode. That's at least what I think. So if you think that too long term, then the investment strategy I use that you might like is I take money that I don't think I'm going to need for the next 12 months, and I go in when it dips and use the money I've set aside to buy on the dips. Right, Bubba? I don't worry about selling at the highs because I'm waiting for the black swan to come around the corner and to shoot up before I do that. So anyways, or if it ever, maybe it'll just be wealth and it'll go down to this little guy's grandkid. I don't know. But it certainly feels it's important to me, to my portfolio, to carry some gold and silver. So if you're doing the same thing and you think long term that's going to happen, maybe you should check out the use money you don't think you're going to need for 12 months and set it aside and buy when it dips. Josh Gaming strategy. I'm sure a lot of other people have similar strategies. All right, Bubba, say bye. Say bye. What's silver going to do Monday, Bubba? Is it going to hold 32? Or is it going to shoot to 34? Is it going to drop to 29? I don't know either. But maybe we'll talk about it then. Leave a comment.